Honeywell adds Li-ion tamer to Fire Life Safety Technology Suite. Honeywell has acquired Li-ion tamer from Nexeris to enhance battery fire safety and expand its fire detection portfolio. SECO leverages Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to boost sustainable manufacturing. SECO and Advanced Manufacturing Research Center Northwest partner to use machine data and Internet of Things for smarter, greener manufacturing and lower carbon emissions. Kinetic Communications Limited boosts electric vehicle electronics with new line. Kinetic Communications Limited has inaugurated a fully automated, Industry 4.0 ready controller manufacturing line at its Pune facility. The advanced line will boost electric vehicle electronics production with high-speed, precision assembly, supporting smart features and global quality standards. Assa Brown Boveri Louis Vuitton titanium motor sets new efficiency standard. Assa Brown Boveri launches Louis Vuitton titanium motor in India to boost industrial efficiency and cut emissions. Cummins expands sustainable portfolio with new battery energy storage systems. Cummins India launches new battery energy storage systems to support clean energy transition and strengthen power reliability.